It is a day 3 of our 30 days of algebra. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to turn long messy expression into short, elegant answers just like real mathematicians. Welcome back to day 3 of our 30 days of algebra journey. So far we have learned variable, constant, translating word into algebra. Today we are learning what happens when algebra starts getting bigger. Imagine you have two apples and three apples. How many apples do you have altogether? Exactly, five apples. Algebra works in very similar way. If you have 2x plus 3x, just like this, you have 5x. I'm going to erase this for you guys. The answer will be 5x when we simplify it. So, you can only combine things that are like. If I show you this concept by the picture, yeah, you can only add or subtract in algebra when the both things are same. You can see on the left hand side of the picture, you have apple, and on the right hand side of the picture, you have oranges. These two things are different, mean they have different variable according to the algebra, so they cannot add with each other. They cannot add with each other. Today we are going to discover exactly what that means. What are like terms? Let's meet the starts of today's lesson, and this is like terms. I'm going to write like terms. Like terms are terms that have exactly the same variable part. For example, if we have one term which is 2x and we have other term which is 4x, these terms will be like terms only because they have same variable part, exactly same. Not just the variable, but also power of that variable should be same. That's why these two terms will be a like terms. I am going to show you that picture again, and this picture is, yeah, this one. These are the messy expressions, and we are going to combine like term from it. Okay, so 2x and 3x are like terms all because of they have same variable part, not just the variable but also the power of the variable. So we can add these terms because these are the like terms, and the answer will be 5x. If I show you this by picture, yeah, this is a concept of adding two or more terms. Here we have two like terms. First one is 8x and second one is 3x, and we are going to actually subtract it, but the concept of addition will be the same. Yeah, you can say here are the boxes of x. 8x mean 8 boxes, 3x mean 3 boxes, and we are just going to subtract 3 box from 6, sorry 8, and we will get 5 boxes. This is the next example that I'm going to discuss with you guys. For example, this was the first example, now this is second example. If we have 4x and 3y, so what about these two terms? Are they like term or unlike term? Yes, these are unlike terms because the variable part of these two terms is different. It's totally different. This term has variable x and this term has variable y. Okay, terms like 2x plus 6x. So we need to only add the numbers, not the variables. So answer will be 2 plus 6, 8, and variable will be the same. Okay, you pick the point. I have another example for you. 3y plus 7y. So 3 and 7 will plus and we will get 10 and y will be the same. Okay, this is a concept of when combining like terms, keep the variable and combine only the numbers. I have another picture for you guys so that we better understand. Yeah, this one. You can see that the same part of the variable terms, the terms which have same part of variable are attracting and the different part of variable terms are bouncing with each other. Okay, this is the concept of unlike terms and these are the like terms. You can see in this picture that the terms that have same part of variable are connecting with each other, mean adding with each other and giving the answer. For example, 2x plus 5 x is equal to 7x and 3x plus 4a is equal to 7a. But on the other side of this picture, the terms which have different part of variable are bouncing away from each other, just like 2x and 3y and 4a and 2b. Watch out, not every term can be combined. Consider if we have 2x plus 3y. These two terms cannot be added to each other because these are not like terms. So it remains same. So now I have question for you. You can pause the video and you can solve these questions that I'm going to write for you guys. Okay, these are some questions. You can try it on your own. So now I'm going to identify the mistakes, the common mistake that many students makes. So now we are going to identify the mistakes. The first one is 2x plus 3x is equal to 5. This is the first common mistake that student makes, that they write the answer of 2x plus 3x equal to 5 just, and they forget to write variable x. This is a common mistake. And the other mistake that student makes is they write it as 5x and they write power 2 of x. They think that x and x should be right at x power 2, but this is wrong. This is wrong one. This is the right way to write the answer of 2x plus 3x is equal to 5x. And the next common mistake that student makes is this is totally a wrong approach. This shows that the student have no basic knowledge of algebra. They don't even know about like and unlike terms. They have no concept of this. That's why he writing this 5xy. The right way, this is a wrong one. The right way is 2x plus 3y. This will be the right answer of this problem. Because we cannot add unlike terms, so these two terms remain in the same way as they were in the question. So this will be the same answer as problem. So okay, now we have recap. Today we learned what like terms are, how to combine like terms, how to simplify expression when terms cannot be combined. Remember, same variable, combine them. Different variable, leave them alone. Okay? Now I have a practice task for you. Write your answer before checking tomorrow. I have a preview of day 4. Tomorrow we will learn how to use the distributive property. You will discover how mathematicians remove brackets and simplify expression even faster. If you enjoyed today's lessons, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notification. And yes, also comment below your answers.